The last thing I want to show you how to do is to create outlines from text. A lot of printers will ask you to do this just in case they don't have the font that you're sending them. And fonts can really vary and change across all platforms. So this is the best thing to do when you're finished working on a project, and or if you're just ready to start messing around a little bit with the handles or any part of the font in itself. So the next thing you're going to do is select the type tool and create just a regular horizontal text box and paste in either your song title or the author of the quote that you pasted in earlier. This is the song title and the author of the song lyrics that I have here. And I just want to give this a little bit of space. You might notice right here that the G and the L are right on top of each other. So in order to split these up a little bit, I'm going to select the entire thing, and then I'm going to change the spacing between the letters. So that's this box right over here. Once I've done that, and I'm fairly happy with the spacing and how everything looks, I'm going to go Objects, Type. So you're going to go up to the Type menu, and then you're going to scroll down, Create Outlines. This can also be done by holding down the Shift, Command, and the letter O. Now you'll notice that it changed drastically between the initial and what we have now. I now have anchor points around the entire letter, and it essentially turned the type into a shape. So I now have a shape that I can edit and play with. So if I really want to accentuate this font at all, I'm totally capable of it. The issue right now is that everything is held onto in one small package. It's grouped together. So you need to go Object, Ungroup, and then you can select each letter on its own. I would zoom in just to get the best view of what you're working on. And then you'll notice that you can see every point around the entire shape. If you wanted to stretch the top part of the L up, you could select it and start moving it upwards. And if I want to do the same thing to the H, and the same thing potentially to the G, to really stretch and expand it out, I can do that. So that's how you would create outlines from a box of text or a block of text. You would create the text, select it with the direct selection tool, just the black arrow, go Type, Create Outlines, or Shift Command O, and then if you have more than one letter, you're going to have to go Object, Ungroup, and then you have your own letter that you can edit any of the anchor points or change its shape in any way and modify it.